Hello guys, welcome po sa Basic Accounting Tutorial Series natin. Sa series na to, i-discuss ko sa inyo yung accounting definition at saka bookkeeping.
So accounting is an art of recording, classifying, and summarizing in a significant manner and in terms of money, transactions, and events, which are in parts at least of financial character and interpreting the results thereof. So art of recording. So in every company, meron silang iba-ibang style of recording. So, pwedeng manual, books of accounts, pwedeng computerized books of accounts, pero the same, merong standard na pinafollow, which is the Philippine Financial Reporting Standard, or kapag international, IFRS, International Financial Reporting Standard. So, pagdating ng classifying, ito po yung i-classify natin yung mga accounts and then i-summarize, record sa general ledger. Basta yung mga i-record natin, merong in terms of money transactions. So mga kapirahan ng negosyo. So at least in financial characters. And then i-interpret natin through the financial statement para malaman natin kung kumikita yung negosyo, makikita natin yan sa income statement, and then kung ano nang pag-aari ng business natin. So, mayroong tinatawag na bookkeeping. So, ang bookkeeping is the recording of financial transactions and is part of the process of accounting in business. So, yung mga pagre-record sa business transaction, yung tinatawag na bookkeeping. Yung bookkeeping, i-distinguish natin from accounting. So yung bookkeeping involves only the recording of economic events. So kung ano yung mga business transaction, yung pagre-record yan, yan ang sinasabing bookkeeping. So recording of business transaction. So part lang siya ng accounting. Whereas yung accounting includes bookkeeping. So, also includes summarizing and interpreting. So, dyan po yung pag-prepare ng financial statement. So, i-distinguish natin yung bookkeeper at saka accountant function nila. So, bookkeeping is usually performed by a bookkeeper. And then a bookkeeper is a person who records the day-to-day financial transactions of the organization or the business. So the bookkeeper is responsible for ensuring all transactions are recorded in the correct day book or journal and general ledger. So the bookkeeper brings the books to the trial balance stage. So an accountant can then create reports from the recorded financial transactions recorded by the bookkeeper. So she can prepare income statement and balance sheet. She can prepare the income statement and balance sheet. So statement of changes in equity and statement of cash flows using the trial balance and the ledgers prepared by the bookkeeper. But in some companies, yung bookkeeper, siya na rin yung tuloy-tuloy mag-prepare ng financial statement. So, mayroon namang ibang company na yung accountant, sila na rin yung nag-bookkeep o sila na rin nag-record. So, meron lang silang mga accounting staff. And then, tuloy-tuloy na silang mag-prepare ng financial statement. So, external auditor. Yung external auditor, sila yung mga PRC BUA accredited CPA in public practice and BIR accredited tax practitioner. So, sila yung magre-review ng financial statement na gawa ng bookkeeper or accountant, and then magbigay sila ng opinion kung fairly presented ba ang financial statement in accordance with PFRS. Either PFRS for small entities, PFRS for small medium enterprise, or whole PFRS, whole financial statement, financial reporting standard, PFRS, Philippine Financial Reporting Standard. So under the train law, company with an annual gross revenue of sales or sales of more than 3 million needs to be audited by the PRC BUA accredited CPA in public practice and BIR accredited tax practitioner. So meron tayong methods of bookkeeping system. So merong single entry systems of bookkeeping. Ito yung mga ginagamit sa unang panahon. Pero ngayon, double entry bookkeeping systems na where you maintain a journal and a ledger, and then you use a debit and credit. So debit on the left side, credit on the right side. So it is self-balancing because you record every transaction as a debit entry in one account and a credit entry in another account. So ito po yung i-detalye natin pag-explain para hindi na nyo makakalimutan o ma-master nyo yung debit and credit. So ito po yung basic equation. Kumbaga, sa algebra, mayroong basic equation, mga let x pag to solve dyan, mga anon, pero dito sa accounting, mayroon ding basic equation. So, ang basic equation ng accounting ay assets equals liabilities plus capital or shareholders equity kapag corporation. Capital kapag single proprietor business. So, i-discuss natin din in details yung assets, ano ba yung mga assets, liabilities, at capital. So yung assets, ito po yung pag-aari ng company. So assets are resources owned by the business. They are things of value such as, ito yung mga cash, cash on hand, cash in bank, na pag-aari ng business. So account receivable. So account receivable kapag nagbenta ka, hindi mo pa sinisingil o hindi ka pa binabayaran, so collectibles pa yon, utang ng customer mo, so ang account na i-assign na, ang account na tawag dyan, account title are account receivable. So merchandise inventory, so ito yung mga produkto na for sale, so sa mga trading business. So supplies, ito yung mga office supplies na owned by your business. And then equipment, so delivery equipment, transportation equipment, computer equipment na pag-aari ng business. So building, kapag may building yung business mo, so part of the assets yan. So land, pag meron kayong lupain na pag-aari ng business. So ito namang liabilities, ito yung utang ng business. So liabilities are claims by the suppliers or creditors, so mga nagpapautang sa inyo, against the assets of the proprietor of the company business or the company. So kung may utang yung business nyo, so ang examples dyan are they are existing debts and obligations. So example dyan, accounts payable, pag bumili kayo and then hindi pa nyo binabayaran, so may utang kayo sa suppliers nyo, so accounts payable ang tawag noon. And then pag umutang kayo sa bangko, so loans payables, nag-loan kayo sa bangko, yung business nyo. So may mga interest dyan, so ang tawag dyan is interest payable pag hindi pa nyo nababayaran. So yung owner's equity or capital, so ito yung kapag sa equation, owner's equity or capital is equal to assets minus total liabilities. So illustrate natin yan sa next series natin, yung samples tayo ng mga accounting transactions, ipakita natin sa accounting equation. So owner's equity or capital, it represents the ownership claims on the total assets. So ito yung ownership claim ng may-ari doon sa assets of the company. So ang examples dyan, composition of owner's equity, mayroong capital pag naglagay ka ng pera o mga ari-arian sa business mo, capital yan. Yun ang original investment mo. Drawings, ito yung mga withdrawals or kinuha mo sa business for personal use. It's either cash or equipment or mga goods. Revenues, ito yung sales. Pag nakabinta ka, so paggawa mo ng financial statement, yung pinaka-net income noon, madadagdag sa capital. And then yung expenses, so yung expenses naman, i-deduct doon sa mga sales o sa income mo. And then, yung whatever net income or net loss, kapag net income, idagdag sa capital. So, pag net loss, kabawasan sa capital. So, investment by owners. Ito, example nito, kapag maglagay ka ng cash or properties sa business mo, yun ang investment by owners. So, these investments in the business increase owners' equity. So, mag-increase yung equity mo or capital o pag-aari sa business mo. So drawings, so as I have discussed, drawings are withdrawals of cash or other assets by the owner for personal use. And then, of course, yung drawings o withdrawals decrease the total owner's equity. So yung revenues naman are gross increase in capital or owner's equity resulting from business activities entered into for the purpose of earning income. So revenue may result from performance of services, rental of property, or sales of merchandise kapag merchandising business or trading business. So revenue usually result in increase in an assets and capital. So expenses are the decrease in capital or owner's equity that results from operating the business and are the cost of assets consumed or services used in the process of earning revenue. So, bago ka makapagbinta, nag-incur ka muna yung gastos sa business mo, mga expenses.